Hello everyone. Welcome to the first day of our 30-day English speaking challenge on your favorite channel English Study Academy. Here at we make learning English simple, fun and practical. This course designed especially for you if you want to speak English confidently in just 30 days. Every day we will take small but powerful steps to improve your speaking English. Now let's start with today's exciting lesson. Today is the beginning of a beautiful journey. Learning English is not just about grammar or books. It is about confidence and growth. Let me ask you a question. Why do you want to learn English? Is it for a job, travel, or just to feel confident while speaking? Whatever your reason, this journey will help you achieve it. English is like a superpower. Imagine walking in a room full of people and introducing yourself confidently in English. Think. Think about how proud and strong you would feel. But I know some of you might feel nervous. You might think, can I really speak English fluently? Let me tell you, yes, you can. Learning English is like a climbing a ladder. You don't need to jump to the top. Just take one step at once and I will guide you all the way properly. Ready for today's session? Let's begin. Before we start, let us understand why English is so important to our daily life. Firstly, English connects with the world. It is the most spoken language across the whole globe. Second, it creates new opportunities. Whatever it is, a job, education, or travel, English is the key. English is the key point. It builds confidence. You can express yourself better and make new friends easily. Imagine you are watching a movie in English and you don't need subtitles. Would not that feel amazing? Or think about answering an interview in English with confidence. This course will help you get to the top level. From today, English will become your friend and I promise it will stay with you forever. Let's start. Our first lesson with basic greetings. These are the simple words we use when we meet someone. In English, we greet people based on the time of a day. Example, good morning before 12 pm. Good afternoon 12 pm to 5 pm. Good evening after 5 pm. And when it is time to leave, we say goodbye or simply bye or see you soon. These are the common greetings. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Great. You are already sounding confident. These simple greetings are very important because they create a positive impression. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself in English. This is something you can use every day. When you meet someone, you can say, hello, my name is. Then say your name. After the reply, you can say, nice to meet you. Example, let's say you are in a meeting and someone for the first time. You can say, hello, my name is Ria. I am from Kolkata. I am a student and I love reading books. What is your name? Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is. Say your name. I am from. Say the birthplace. I love. Then say your hobbies. Introducing yourself is one of the most common way to start a conversation. And now you will know how to do it confidently. From today, practice greeting your family and friends in English. Tomorrow morning, say good morning to someone at home or in the neighborhood or your friends. Practice introducing yourself in front of the mirror. Firstly, this feels strange, but one of the best way to practice is speaking in front of a mirror. In this context, I would share a story, a real life story. One of my students felt shy about speaking English. She always avoided it. But after practicing simple greeting and introducing for just 1 week, she started greeting her classmate in English. Slowly, she became more confident. That is the power of small steps. Remember, confidence does not come at all at once. It grows with practice. And today you have already taken the first step. First, greet at least 3 people using good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Write your self introduction in comment below. It is a practice for you. Example, hello, my name is, then say your name. I am from, then write your birthplace. I love, then write your hobbies. I will read all your comment and give feedback. Then you have completed day 1 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Is not that exciting? You have learned how to greet people and introducing yourself. ठीक है? Then every expert was a winner. So don't worry and don't worry about any mistakes. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. Thank you for watching today's lesson on English Study Academy. Tomorrow we will learn how to ask and answer basic question in English. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like this video and share it to your friends who want to learn English. Until then, keep practicing, stay confident and remember, you are amazing. So see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you.